great distance. Herbivores. They feast on a diet of fruits, vegetables, insects, and adept swimmers and divers, with a lifespan of up to 20 years. They embody resilience in the wild. So once again, quite a species native to West and Central Africa. Bird lives in grassland, shrublands, and open forests. This non-venomous constrictor is the smallest of the African primates, growing to maximum length of 182 centimeters, belonging to the genus Pocona. Our medium-sized lizard, native to arid regions of Australia. They have flattened body, triangular head, and distinctive bird of spiky face. In the world, they can grow up to 6 meters in length and get way. I have a question. Are you afraid of snakes? Saying earlier, sunshine is very friendly and very neat, so nothing to worry about. Okay, ma'am, so all you have to do is step forward, hands like this, and be ready because here comes sunshine. Alright, look at the camera and smile. Alright, a round of applause for our lucky guest. Alright, now let me present to you the animals and the trainers that made this show possible. Trainer JV with Sahara. Trainer Regine with Bogart. Trainer Joel and Trainer Myung with Sunshine. And once again, I'm Trainer Rochelle. Thank you for being part of our reptile showcase, and we'll look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a wonderful day!
Group of animals could venture so high, nest and overnight masses. These birds can be called Eastern Indonesia and their preference unlike the white cockatoos. There you go, the show officially started. Round of applause for Chaho and Trainer Jamie.
Ayun na, kay Suya ang maglalaro. Lokaalan nyo.
Alarita, common inhabitants are open woodlands and forest areas along things called Australia. They're well-ordered and can mimic almost any sound. They typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, and rambutan. And they also love corn. Now guys, do you think that has the ability to find the hidden object? Well, if it yes, then say, you can do it, Dazzle! Come on, Dazzle, find the hidden object for us. And she found it! A round of applause for Dazzle with Trainer Johnny. And she will always be bad. Means sassy and rough. Are to the convert of King Makoma today, they will battle it out to see who's the best in the basketball game. But before I start this battle, I will divide you into two groups. So the girls you cheer for Sassy. Come on girls, let me hear you cheer. Sassy! Sassy! And how about the boys? All the boys you cheer for Rocky. Come on boys, let me hear you cheer. Rocky! Rocky! Alright, so words ready? Trainers ready? Set, go! Here comes Rocky to the first ball. Followed by Sassy. And second ball for Rocky. And it's that time for the winner is Rocky wins. What string race?
The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the pool, the fastest is the winner. And that is the ring race.
So the ring race it shall be. Remember guys, boys have already 1 point and girls, come on. Let's hear Sassy to win this time. And we will do this again and this time our ring race. Ready?